that going? Okay, here we are in Colorado Springs, and there's some hail going on. This is actually not too bad. It's looking pretty good right now. Yeah, June 6th, 2012. This is basically how we know the end of the world is coming. You'll see a big one splatter here in a moment. I'm halfway covered because I already have hail damage on my car. But if I didn't, I'd be really sad. Let's see here. This little man over here. He's doing this. Oh my god, it's going away because I'm recording this video. Thank you. But it's probably just kidding because I've tried to restart driving a bunch of times. Oh. I mean, there's some golf ball sized chunks for sure. But it's okay because I don't have a nice car. Oh, that guy left. Hopefully. Oh. Let's just stand here or sit here and see. God is mad. We need some tunes. Oh, that's
7.
Hey, I just met you. And this is crazy. Hey, babe. Well, thank you, video. You just made it stop, kinda. We're so bored. You've been trying to find cover. Oh, I promise it'll happen. I wonder how fucked my car is. No big deal. Oh, they're not done. Yeah, my way. I'm just waiting for a big one to come splat on here. We're trying to go to Walmart, actually. That's actually where we're headed.
Like 20 yards.
We're pretty close to Walmart.
Next door.
But, it's okay.
You can see it.
Oh, yeah. Over there is Walmart. But I'm too scared to go over there. So, well, shoot. The minute I turn this off.
This little girl's got mom's car.
Oh, we got the Mexicans next door. And they're like, Mom, so I'm driving your car. And it just starts like hailing like a motherfucker. And so I'm under the TCIF bank thing right now. But it's like, okay. And they just saw me recording them.
Wait up.
Oh no, I just got busted. Okay, let's act like I'm recording everything. Okay. I am, but they might have a knife. Okay, so I'm gonna venture out. Steven's gonna take the cam now. We're gonna see what happens. Wow. I mean, the streets are flooded. You'd think it was 2012 right now, like the real day. Oh, hi, Steven.
Damn.
Okay, so we're gonna try to go to Walmart. That was all on camera too. That would have been so funny.
You don't stop.
Oh, I don't stop. Sorry. I'm just really distracted by all this hail. We go HMS. You can see the trees that are everywhere. Everyone's probably tripping out. But it's actually letting up for a sec.
This guy has a caution sign.
Yes. Oh, look at the creative Coloradans and their wet floor signs. Yes. Okay. Well, I guess we'll just end this here and wish us luck. Love you. Bye.